funny, but I'm gonna set it up. Oh, I don't want to start yet. Okay, today we're gonna be talking about 3D shapes, and we're gonna learn these three words. This says flat surfaces. Can you say it? Let's try again. Surfaces. Very good. Edges. Vertices. Very good. Okay, before we get started, I want you to look at these two different pieces of paper. Look at these shapes and look at this shapes. What do you notice? What's different? Go ahead.
These are 2D and these are 3D.
These are 2D and these are 3D. Do you know what 3D means?
No.
What kind of shape is 3D?
Oh, I did.
Go ahead, try.
3D means like you're in it.
Yeah, very good. Look at these shapes. Do you think this is 3D or 2D?
3D?
It is
3D.
because a 3D shape you can
It's a
hold
cone.
in your hand. It is a cone. Very good. These are flat shapes. Okay, so these aren't 3D, they're 2D, just like you said. Very good. Okay, I'm going to give you guys an envelope. Inside your envelope, you have all of these pictures. Okay, I want you to pull out your picture cards. You have the words in there too, but you don't need those right now. So here's yours.
Yeah.
And here's yours. And I want you to sort these pictures into whatever kind of groups you want. You can make 3 groups, you can make 2 groups, you can make 4 groups. It doesn't matter, and there's no right or wrong answer. But if you put this shape and this shape together, I just want you to tell me why you put them together. Okay? So go ahead, make as many groups as you want. Which shapes do you think go together? In which groups? See how many different groups you can make. Which ones are you going to put together? Well, that's a good idea. Why are you putting those two together? Let's make a group right over here. Why are you putting those two together?
Because these has a point.
They both have a point. Very good, and both of those are flat. That's a very good reason. Go ahead, what else are you going to put together? Anything else you want to put in that group? Good job. Very good. Ooh, why are you putting those two together?
They both are a circle.
They both have a circle shape about them. Very good, I agree with you. What are you going to do with those last 3 shapes that you've got?
This one.
Oh, you don't need that one, do you? How about these two? Do you think these go in either of those groups, or are they in their own group all by themselves? Good, very good. Okay, now let's talk about those cards. I'm going to get the same shapes out, okay? And we're going to talk about these 3 things, the flat surfaces, the edges, and the vertices. Let's start with your shape that looks like a cube. Can you find your cube shape? Very good. Okay, we're going to talk about flat surfaces, edges, and vertices, okay? I have a cube right here for us, okay? A flat surface is exactly what you told me. It's where it sits. So any flat part of the shape where it can sit down is a flat surface. So this cube has 1 on the bottom, 2, 3, 4, and then 1 in the front, that's 5, and 1 in the back, that's 6. So let's get those pencils out that you have. And let's write F for flat surfaces. Right on your cube. You can write it anywhere on there. And how many did we count?
6.
We did. We counted 6. Yep. F and then 6. Wherever you want on that piece of paper. Very good.
Put it on a cube.
Excellent. You did perfect. Okay, that's flat surfaces. Let's talk about edges.
Ow.
Edges are where 2 flat surfaces meet, so they're the lines. Feel that edge. Yeah, can you touch a different edge? Very good. So edges are right where they meet. Now, there's a lot of edges on this cube. It is. So watch, because we have to count. You want to count with me? Let's do the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we got to do the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my goodness, now we got to do the bottom. 9, 10, 11, 12. So we're gonna write E for edges and 12.
E.
E. 12. E. 12.
That's not an E. That's a
So we've done flat surfaces. We've done edges. Now we're gonna do vertices. Can you say vertices again?
tortoise.
Vertices. Vertices are where the edges meet. So they're these points. You guys touch a vertice. Any vertice you want. Oh, it's gotta be a point. It's gotta be where two edges meet. Perfect. Let's count them together. Ready? 1,
1,
2,
2,
3, 4, 5,
5,
6, 7, 8. So we're gonna write V for vertices and 8. V for vertices and 8. Very nice job, girls. Let's do one more together. Which shape would you guys like to use?
You said what?
What shape do you want to do next? That's fine. That looks great. We've done one together. All right, find your paper that looks like this one.
Where?
Find it in front of
Found
you.
it.
Found it. Do either of you know what this shape is called? So close.
Surface. Surface.
Sphere.
Sphere.
You say it, sphere.
Sphere.
Very good, okay. This shape is a tricky one. I'm glad you chose this one because a sphere is very special. Does it have any flat surfaces where it can just lay down like a cube?
Why don't have no corners?
It has no flat surfaces. It has no corners. Does it have any edges?
No.
So they're all what?
I don't have these.
They are
We have how many?
0.
0. So on this one we wrote 6, 12, and 8. On this one we're just gonna write 0, 0, 0,
0 ball.
0. It doesn't have any. A sphere is super
I put
special.
a ball right there.
Very, very good. Okay, I want you each to try one shape by yourself, and I'll help you. Which shape would you like to try?
This one.
Okay, you try this one.
Yeah.
Which one would you like to do? Perfect. Then find your paper and see if you can count the flat surfaces, the edges, and the vertices.
Is this go? Oh. Is this small though?
It is. That's okay though. It's the same shape, right?
Okay.
So how many different flat surfaces does it have?
1, 2.
Excellent. So you're going to write F2.
F 1, 2, 3, 2.
Very nice job touching each side.
6.
Okay, now this one's tricky. Does this one have any edges like the cube does? Does it have any spots like that?
No.
No, it doesn't. So you're going to write what?
0.
How about vertices? Does it have points where the edges meet?
Let me see. No. It's 0. Another ball. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
That was perfect. Your strategy of counting each of those was perfect. Okay, when you're all done, you can collect these and put them in your envelope. We're going to get out the marshmallows.
Put this
Perfect.
marshmallow.
I'm going to put mine in my envelope. You keep going, honey. You only have one more to do. Put them in the envelope, nice and neat. How many of those do you have? Yeah, you guys can have one when we're done.
8.
Perfect job. Now, collect those and put them in your envelope. Ooh, can you write your name on the outside of this envelope so I don't forget who you are?
Go, everybody. Go.
Same with you, sweetie.
We are not going to disrupt everybody.
Name right on your envelope.
I apologize.
You're okay.
No. Go. You're not broken. It's okay.
Perfect job. Okay, now that you guys have learned what a flat surface, an edge, and a vertice is, we are going to use these toothpicks as our edges. Okay. And we're going to use our marshmallows. Let's make sure this doesn't fall down.
Put this.
We can just lay that down. We're going to use our marshmallows as vertices, okay, to put together our shapes. Let's start together again with the cube, and then you guys can make your own. So, a cube has what shape as its flat surface? What shape is that? Is it a circle?
Square.
Good. It's a square. The flat surface is a square. So, if we were going to build that out of marshmallows and toothpicks, how many of each would we need?
4.
4. Let's do it. You guys get 4 out?
Okay, come on.
And I'll get 4 out. And you can use your marshmallows just like this as your vertices.
2, 3, 4. 4 D's. Put this marshmallow right there.
Your marshmallows are going to act as your vertices, holding everything together.
Another one. We have to be careful because see, you can also put it on top of the other.
You sure can. You're great. That's awesome. Need some more marshmallows?
What's some more? Oh, found some more squishy marshmallows.
Okay, now once we have a square, how are we going to turn this into a cube? What should I do now?
Ow.
Yep, be careful. They're sharp.
And it's sharper than the other ones.
But our cube has more than one square. How are we going to make it 3D?
3D. Put some more. I think you make another square.
You're exactly right.
Yeah.
We're going to use our toothpicks to make the other sides, the other edges.
Squishy. How are we going to do this? Because it won't stay on that well.
Once you get another side over here, it'll all stand up.
Okay. It went through.
That's okay. It's doing perfect. Now when you put another edge right there, it'll stand up perfect. You need another toothpick. Excellent.
Ta-da! I made
Good
a
job.
house out of this.
Yes, you did. Good job. Excellent. Keep going.
You're on the silver one. This side.
This round. You said what?
Yep, it's kind of tricky until you get all your sides in. Once all your sides in, it should all stand up.
Something smells good.
But all these marshmallows.
I want to go to Mama. Mine is too. Right there. You put your head inside this marshmallow and put either.
Yeah, I can help you.
And put your head right here. Put your foot right there. I made it. Oh, this
Very good. Don't worry, it's not you. You're almost there. 2 more edges. I'll hold this straight while you're...
good.
Excellent. Almost.
See?
Very good. Oh, be careful. You might want to lay it flat on the table because they're kind of flimsy. Good job. Okay, so together,
There.
our vertices are our marshmallows, our points. Let's count them together. How many do we have on ours? 1,
1,
2, 3, 4. Oh,
Oh, 5, 6, 7, 8.
perfect. So how many vertices do we have?
8.
8. Now, we have more sides than that. How many edges or sides do we have? See if you can count your cube. See if you can figure it out.
Let me see. 8.
Oh, careful, you missed one side. You counted the top and you counted the side. You forgot the...
10 toothpicks that we had to use. 10.
Ready, watch. 1,
1,
2, 3,
4,
5, 6.
7, 8.
Then the whole bottom. 9, 10, 11.
12.
Excellent job. Okay, so we all made the cube. I'm going to let you each try to make another one of these shapes. Now, we can't make all these shapes. We can't make this one, can we?
No.
Because it doesn't have any edges and vertices, right?
Yeah.
But what of these shapes do you think you could make with your marshmallows in
I
here?
can make this one.
Go ahead.
I can make this one. Ouch.
How are you going to make the bottom of that one?
I don't know.
Can we make this one?
Yeah.
With these?
Yeah.
How?
We're gonna like do this. Move this one over.
Show me.
And then we're gonna take some toothpicks. And we'll get a marshmallow. 1.
You're doing perfect.
You do this. And the marshmallow gonna be the circle. And it's gonna be like, put like this on the side.
Oh, I see what you're saying. So you're using the marshmallow as this part, the bottom flat surface? Awesome.
Then put another marshmallow right on the top.
Very good.
And close it up right on the top.
That's very smart thinking.
Ta-da!
Great job. Okay, can you make another one? What would you like to make now?
So I'm gonna make. Now I'm gonna stay.
Yeah.
It is too pointy.
Why don't you try this one?
That's so easy. It's almost
What
like
shape are you going to make first?
Square.
Yes. That looks awesome. Do you want me to break some of the... Oh, I see what you're doing. You're doing great. Here you go. Great job.
Are we gonna eat one of these?
Yeah, you're going to get to take them with you.
Yay! I don't want to poke myself.
Be careful.
Damn.
That looks wonderful.
Look what I made.
Oh, good. Almost there.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Come here, toothpick. I do not like toothpicks.
Okay, now you have this flat surface. Perfect. How are you going to make this part?
Easy peasy.
What are you going to do about that?
Oh yeah.
Because it's different than this one that has a square up top. This one has a point. Oh, you are so smart. Great job. You need one right there, and then it's wonderful.
And this. And this. And this. And then I did put your
Very good. How many marshmallows, how many vertices do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
And what about your edges?
Ta-da! 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let me try to make 8. This is hard. This is hard. Oh, let it be hard.
How many vertices or marshmallows did you use?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And what about edges?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Great job. Okay, you guys are all done. You did an awesome job. I am actually going to give these marshmallows to Miss Bell. She's your homework teacher, right? Yep, I'm going to give him